Hello, what's up guys, welcome to another new video. Today we're going to be doing this Zkasino for a potential airdrop. Okay, so this platform right here is built on the ZkSync, okay, as you already know, and we are actually anticipating an airdrop from ZkSync, so we can actually do this to get a separate airdrop from this platform. Okay, so what we're just going to be doing here is very simple. We're just going to be playing a game. Okay, so we're not going to be using too many links. Okay, so it's just one single link. But before I get deeper into the video, if you're new here to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, please I urge you to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I make new and urgent videos like this. Okay, so all of the links will be in the description below. Every link that I go through here, or I just leave them in the description below as usual. So right now, as you can see on the video on the screen, is telling me wrong network. Okay, so when you click down this here, you can see it has 4 separate networks. Okay, there's Polygon, Fantom, Arbitrum, and then ZkSync. So first of all, we're going to be testing it on testnet, so all the money you're going to be using is free money. Okay, so we're going to be using ZkSync. So you got to switch from whatever network that you are on to the ZkSync, since we are going to be using the ZkSync first. Okay, so after switching, this is where you're gonna go to. Okay, so if peradventure you don't find yourself here, all you just have to do is click on this home button. It's gonna bring you over here. So the first thing we want to do is we have to claim some free ZkSync faucet tokens. Okay, so after we've claimed that, then we can claim some other tokens that we're going to use here. So first of all, if you don't have any ZkSync tokens or coins that are going to be using as gas fees, all you have to do is click on request and retweet. Okay, so this is going to refer you to Twitter. Okay, so if you click on that, it's going to bring you here over to this page, and it's going to give you exactly this tweet. Okay, all you just have to do is click on tweet. Okay, then once you click on tweets, some free ZkSync tokens are going to be sent to your wallet. Okay, so automatically it's going to detect it. Okay, and then your wallet is going to be credited somehow. It just works. Okay, so after you have done that, for you that are just starting out, okay, for those of you that do not have any ZKUSD, this is the stable coin for this platform, for the testnet. Okay, so if you do not have any at all, you can request here, but before you can request, you need to have less than 1 ZKUSD. As you can see right here, my balance, I have about 1,400. So there's no way I can request until I squander this whole money, or this everything, and it just goes down to 0. Then I can request anytime I want, as long as it is less than 1. Okay, so if you have 2, you can't request. It has to be less than 1. So somehow you just find a way to lose that money playing the game, and then you can come here to request. So once you just click on this, automatically you're going to be credited with 10,000 ZKUSD, and then after you have gotten that, you can now start playing the game. So you can switch between networks. Okay, so right now I'm on ZkSync. If I go to Polygon, okay, I can request this ZKUSD, 10,000 ZKUSD all over again for the Polygon network. So the amount of money that I have here on ZkSync is going to be, it doesn't affect the money that I have in my Polygon. It doesn't affect the money that I have on Fantom. So there are 4 different networks with 4 different amounts of money. Okay, so you're going to be playing on ZkSync. All your profits will be on ZkSync, and all of the transactions will be on ZkSync. So if you want to move to Polygon, same thing. So quickly, I just switch to the Fantom to show you that you can actually claim some free some KUSD. As you can see right now on the Fantom, I have just 0. When I click on this, it's gonna pop up and then approve. Then I'm gonna have 10,000 KUSD. But another thing is, as you can see, whenever you switch to any network, you can actually request the native token from here directly. So you do not need any external links. Okay, so once you click on that, it's going to top you up with any the native token of the coin that you want. Okay, so I already did this. If you click on this tweet, it's definitely going to take you back to Twitter, and then when you click on the tweet, you're just going to have some free tokens there. So that's how it is for all the networks. Okay, so for every network, switch to the network that you want to, then request some. As you can see, I have some free Fantom. I didn't have that before, so you just click on request to it, and then it's gonna happen, and then you can start playing the games on all 4 chains. Okay, you can play with the 4 different networks. So but now we're going to be starting with ZkSync. It's all the same thing. So all you have to do is click on explore game, or you can just come over to this games tab right here. Now if you go through here, you can see they have about 7 games. Okay, right now 2 are unavailable. This used to be available. All you just have to do is play the game. Okay, so we can just start with let's say, okay, slots. Let's click on slots right here. So if you want to learn how to play the game, all you just have to do is click on this right here. It says how to play. It's going to teach you what to do. Okay, but simply what this is if you come over here, if you can get this 3, this is where you're going to get whatever amount you put in there. This is going to give you the multiplier. It's going to multiply by this. Okay, so let's say I decided to bet with 100 100 ZKUSD. Okay, so how many times do I want this thing to run for? So I can say, okay, I want it to run for 10 times. Let's say I want to run 10 times. I can just put it in here 10. Okay, or let's just put it in 10. Okay, this is the amount it's going to take from me. 1,000 ZKUSD is what it's going to take for me to run this 10 times using 100 ZKUSD. Okay, so whenever I am able to get any of these combinations, okay, this is what the multiplier is going to be like. So if I'm able to get this, then I'm going to have a multiplier of 100 times 100. So it's going to multiply it by how much I use, which is 100, to multiply it. Then my points are just going to keep amassing. That is how to play the game. So let's just quickly play one and see. Let's see how it goes. So if you click on that, you will need to approve it in your wallet and then do the needful. All you just have to do is wait for it to go through. So you can see it's already let me just try to zoom out so you can see what is happening right here. So you can see I won the first one. I've lost these 2. I've lost 3 rounds. Okay, so you can see it just keeps going like that and like that. Okay, usually it shows you here what you've got, but right now it's just not working perfectly. It's supposed to just show you like the 3 combinations you got, why you lost and stuff like that. Okay, but we just okay, so as you can see, I have gone through the 10 rounds and I was able to win just 2, and my profit out of it was, I made no profit actually. So I think I made $200 or 400 ZKUSD profit. Okay, so they subtracted that from the initial 1,000 ZKUSD that I actually put in before, and then I was at a loss of 600 ZKUSD. So that is how to play the game. Right now I'm at 852, so that I can decide to play that every single day. Okay, so and then we can choose a different game if we want to. Okay, so that is how so there's no need for me playing all of the games. That is what you need to do. Make sure you try to rank, okay, because if you go to the leadership board, okay, or if you go to the leadership board, you can see several people, what they have played on several chains, how much they have made. So if you look at the person right now, the person on the top 10 ranks, so this is my rank 70. Wow, this is crazy. Well, this right here, let's just go to the leadership. This is the first person. Okay, the person has a total balance of 176 million ZKUSD right now. Okay, so on the ZkSync network, this is what he has gotten. On the Arbitrum, this is what he has gotten. On Polygon, this is what he has gotten, and on Fantom, this is what he has gotten. That means he has played on the 4 separate chains and he has made a lot of profit. So some people have played on just one chain, some play 2, so it's good for you to mess around with the 4 if you are able to. That way it gives you more opportunity to get an airdrop when it actually happens. Okay, so I'm not too sure when the airdrop is going to happen, but I just know that there's a possibility that there's going to be an airdrop, because this is actually affiliated with ZkSync and we haven't gotten the airdrop for ZkSync yet. So to maximize your profits, make sure any airdrop that I give you, try to do it. I mean, this is practically free. You're not paying any money and it is easy. With just a click of a button, and you can just sit and do other things while you play this game. Okay, so that is pretty it. And I hope you did find this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye.